Hello student, Dikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat Branch, Standard 3rd, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 5, Name Chotu's House, Teacher name Samreen Serali. Let's get started. Lesson number 5, Chotu's House. What kind of house have you seen around you? This chapter talks about the protagonist Chotu and his house. Chotu, who is a poor friend, sheltered in a pipe. The lesson discusses how he arranged everything in that pipe and stay happily there. The chapter also deals with topics such as home, the uses of toilet. Chotu come to Mumbai for the first time. So Chotu come to Mumbai for the first time. At that time, he did not have a house to live in. Here we see the series of picture. In the first picture, we see that Chotu has come to Mumbai. In the second picture, we see that Chotu is getting wet in the rain and he is unprotective. And in third picture, we see Chotu has taken shelter inside a pipe. In the fourth picture, we see that Chotu has made the pipe his home. In fifth picture, we see another boy like Chotu who has come to Mumbai. In sixth picture, it seems like they both become friends and start living together. Home sweet home. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together, and look how this mosquito fly, and how peacefully lies the happy spider. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it's crawl to and fro. And look at the so many black ants, all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard, the birds are all picking about, just like when my sister and I something fight, quarrel and shout. Quarrel means argue. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. It's dear to us and all who lives here and have been living for many years. Do you know, rats have poor eyesight but have excellent senses of smell, touch and taste. Use of toilet. Simi noticed that her friend Billu was getting uncomfortable. He was not talking to her. Simi, Billu, what happened? You look so dull. Billu said, I don't know how to use the toilet properly. Hira ma'am will be on her round and again she will scold me as usual for not using the toilet properly. Simi said, why don't you use the toilet properly then? Billu replied, I am scared that I will fall in the toilet pit. Simi said, how stupid, and now I know it is you and many of our friends like you who make our toilet so dirty by not using the toilet properly. Don't be scared, be responsible. Let us now see how to be responsible. Use the toilet by sitting properly. Always flush it with water after use. Wash yourself properly. Wash your hand thoroughly. Leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself. Do you know, for Gandhiji 150th birthday, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched. It is to help us realize that cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. Thank you.